Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Suzuki SV650. So make sure to watch the full video. The evergreen Suzuki SV650 is back with new colors and a $100 price increase this year. Like last year, the SV650 comes in two flavors, a standard version and an ABS edition for a $450 premium, which we recommend. We have long loved the torquey, novice-friendly, expert-satisfying DOHC 90-degree V-twin power blend. The motor is slung below a steel trellis frame that offers the stability a new rider wants and a seasoned rider can absorb. The 2023 Suzuki SV650 is ready and willing to do commuting and urban chores during the week, and then mix it up in the canyons on weekends. Thanks to a neutral riding position, the rider is always comfortable. The suspension is basic, no damping adjustment, and the fork is a conventional design, though the shock gets help from linkage and spring-preload adjustability. Twin 290mm discs slow things down predictably, and the Dunlop SportMax Road Smart 3 tires combine good traction with extended wear. We tested the Suzuki SV650 ABS recently, so the 23 will have identical characteristics. Each version of the 2023 Suzuki SV650 comes in a distinctive color. The standard version is glass sparkle black or solid iron gray with red wheels, while the ABS model is metallic reflective blue with subdued gold wheels. In both cases, the 5-spoke wheels are cast aluminum. Even with ABS added to the package, the MSRP is less than $8,000. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.